Hey guys, just a quick announcement from Joey. Before I do the AC startup video, I wanted to just say that as of last night after 7, when the ceremony ended, I've officially graduated from high school. Never in a million years did I think I would actually make it. I thought there would be like some unpaid fines or just something that would keep me from ever even graduating. I was lucky to be walking on the field last night when I receiving that diploma, and I just can't believe it. I'm in awe. I made a few videos and a few community posts yesterday, like hyping you guys up for it, but unfortunately I was not able to post anything else really after the fact. I went to an after party that lasted till like 1 in the morning, and during that time I was having a lot of fun. I was at a water park, so it was it's pretty cool. But yeah, as of last night, I have my diploma. I would show it to you, but it actually has my town name and also my last name on there, and I don't want to give away that information, so yeah. I've just wanted to say that I started my YouTube journey in junior year, but I've actually had this YouTube channel for a long while. Like a few years ago, I started using YouTube as just a way to make comments on YouTube videos, because that's how you make comments on YouTube videos. And the other thing was not that I wanted to say was I started YouTube last year because I figure why the hell not? There was nothing stopping me. I wanted to make a mark of my own in YouTube history, be someone special on the internet, and I was lucky enough to reach 100 subs in a short amount of time, like before 2023 ended, and by the time 2024 began, I was already getting high numbers in the hundreds, and I was at a point where I was able to reach 200, and I was lucky enough to even get to 200. That was one of the best moments of my life, and I couldn't do it without you guys. I would want to say that I want to get up to 300, but I'd rather wait on that. But I can't say how happy I am to just been entertaining you guys. And even though I'm going to community college in August, this will not end. This channel is not going to end. For a while, I've actually been thinking about this channel's future and like whether I actually will be using it anymore. Just because I'm starting a new chapter in my life. I definitely won't be like frequently uploading. I know I already don't really upload frequently as it is, but that's for other factors, just time reasons, and I can't really just dedicate myself to doing those short films. Like the commitment's kind of a lot on me, and I don't know what to say. I graduated. My God. I hope you enjoy the startup and shutdown video. Good afternoon. It is 12:43 and it is 86 degrees out. And for the first time on this channel, I am gonna dedicate a video to my York Affinity 3S series straight cool central air conditioner. It has been here since I was a kid. It originally replaced a Bryant Quantum Plus that unfortunately when my parents moved into this house, the coolant leaked out and the unit basically was no longer cooling down the house. And this unit replaced it, and it has been here since I was a kid. It is, the air in the house is turned off right now because I wanted to, you know, do the honors. I wanted to start it up, and I'll shut it down. You know, do the classic HVAC tuber thing. And I'm doing this as a graduation celebration. It has R410A refrigerant. This is the disconnect box, and there is the refrigerant lines. I will also show you the indoor unit as well. But now I will do the honors of starting up the unit. All right, I'm gonna start it up now. It's currently 71 in my house, but let's do it. All right, it started up. This is my York Affinity 3S series running in cool mode on an 86-degree day in June. And this is my first full-fledged video dedicated to it. So, let's go. And this actually cools the downstairs pretty well, but the upstairs, it has a bit of trouble insulating. But it actually, for the most part, does a pretty good job at cooling the upstairs. So yeah. It has worked really good for the last, honestly, like 20 years that my parents have had this house. And yeah, it is a beast. So it has been proudly working for a long while. And yeah, it is a bit rattly. York is always will be a pretty reliable brand. Yeah. I've had this thing for as long as I've been in my school system. So, what a way to celebrate graduation, am I right? And I'm gonna go back inside and film the downstairs. All right, we're gonna go and look at the downstairs unit in action. Now while the Bryant initially was the only thing that was the unit that got replaced, the indoor unit actually still remains because it's actually in decent shape. So yeah, it remains. It did not need to be replaced. There is the line set. And it goes all the way to where the, like over there. And the York is right there. it has, both the indoor and outdoor have been pretty reliable, so amazing. And this, I'm pretty sure, has been here since the like central air was added to this house. So, but if it's not, I could be wrong. There's a model number and the data sheet on the indoor unit. Yeah. But yeah, this is the indoor air conditioner at my house. And I'm going to do the shutdown now. But yeah, this is the first fully fledged video I did on my York Affinity 3S series. I hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed. And as always, over and out.